Welcome to Georgetown. There's always something going on here. Today is a dinghy parade or a motor parade, so
we're creating a center console.
yeah, totally.
Fishing boat.
Here you go.
Hi, we're Josh and Tamara, and this is our 46-foot sailboat Honu. We're a couple Canadians that traded land life to become full-time cruisers. Over the past year, we've been working tirelessly to get her shipshape and ready for new adventures on warm, crystal blue waters. Join us every Friday as we bring our 01 boat back to the 21st century and have a lot of fun along the way. Thanks for being a part of our journey.
We're on version 2.0 2.0. How you doing in there?
Oh my god, it's so hot.
Transforming our dinghy into a modern day center cockpit fishing boat. SS Yacht Club right here. That's a hokey little get up. Yep. Look at this.
Gong show.
Gotcha.
What this Another epic cruisers night. Everyone just brought their own little bits. We're putting it together. Great fire. And we have a beautiful sunset. Does it get better than this? I don't know. Good morning. So today is a bit of a reconnaissance day. We popped into town yesterday and discovered that they have our shifter cable available, which was quite shocking and surprising.
Yeah, and it's more like a hardware store.
Yeah.
They actually had a little selection of shift cables, and it looks like they got one that'll work for us, so we're gonna go back and buy it.
We have to measure to double check to make sure. That's why we didn't get it yesterday. So then we're just getting some more gas, throwing away our garbage, and then there's a couple marine shops down the south side of the island here. So we figured we'd check those out and see if we can find some blocks for our mainsail. But we might have a fix for it anyways in what we have, and then we'll just have our friend that's bringing our lithium batteries, have him pick something up so we have spares when he gets here. So a little walk around town, a little reconnaissance, and another beautiful day in Georgetown.
Gorgeous, yep.
Yep. It's a work day today. Right over here to tie up to get our gas. It's a cute little bay in here. Tons of stuff, fully stocked grocery store. And the prices are pretty good, so we were quite surprised. It's very comparable to home. Not bad. The Shell station downtown always has a line up at it.
So, we were in here yesterday and noticed that they have a little selection of ship cables, which is awesome. And it looked like we'd actually have a replacement available here for us. So, I took a few measurements this morning and we are going to double check that it's the right size here. And we'll be back in business.
Woo.
Our Band-Aid held, but it'd be nice to have the proper fit. So it is the right size.
And you need 4 inches.
Yeah. And that's pretty close to 4 inches.
Short though.
No, right here.
Where's the 4?
To where the clamp is.
Oh, okay.
So there's room for a little bit of adjustment there, but I didn't check the top one, but imagine that also room for adjustment. So it looks like it should work.
Awesome.
And we can make it work anyway. Cool.
We got some. Now we have to figure out how to put it in.
That's gonna be fun. Yummy.
So good.
We're open. We were just saying how we like getting off the beaten path, out of the tourist zone, and just kind of eating where the locals do eat. This is good. This is special today's chicken. And it's special.
Special. We're at Chester's.
Charlie's.
We're at Charlie's Grill. And it is fantastic.
It is.
Super good.
Yummy. Get it in.
We had an absolutely wicked day today on Adventure Dinghy, exploring around Georgetown. And tonight there's going to be a live concert by one of the cruisers. His boat is the Piano Man. And every once in a while he puts on a live hour-and-a-half concert and people shout out requests and he'll play whatever. And so we're going to do that by Dinghy tonight. It's going to be super fantastic.
You can see there's some whack of dinghies here already. This is cool.
We're getting all set up and wait for the show to begin. Here we go.
We lost it.
I don't know if you can see me right now, but this is the best seat I've had in the dinghy since we bought the dinghy. I've got the big beanbag going on here and I am chillaxing. Hello. This is so awesome.
Check out the sky right now.
And it is gorgeous out there. Fantastic sunset. Good morning, everyone. So it is Adventure Day 2 here in Georgetown. We're going to go find us some turtles. Apparently there is a bay over here called Hooper Bay where they're kind of tame. We've noticed that the turtles for the most part around here have been really skittish, but people feed them lettuce over there and they've become accustomed to people being around and swimming with them and all that kind of stuff. So we brought some cabbage for the turtles and we're gonna go snorkel with them. There's apparently a whole bunch of fish over there too, so hopefully we get some really great shots on the GoPro. And then we're gonna check out the north side of town because we haven't done that yet.
We hope you guys are enjoying our videos. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, get that notification bell, and give us a thumbs up and a comment. If you want more content, visit us on our Patreon page. Description's in the link below. Barely.
There.
You.
Stop it.
You.
Oh my gosh.
Cheers, you guys.
Woo! Turtle time!
Canadians are taking over.
Yeah.
How cool.
Wow, what a day this is. The turtles kind of congregate in this little bay right here. It's like their little nesting area, and they're docile.
They're
compared
so
to
chill.
all of the turtles that we've seen.
And swim with them.
Yeah.
It's so neat. We haven't had that opportunity. Every turtle we've seen on the way here has bolted. Like,
yes.
People.
Yeah. So
These
we've had a really fun time up on the beach, getting to know the baby turtles, and then we anchored out a little bit further into the bay here, and we were swimming with the big ones, and that was super magical. Oh my goodness, so cool.
Yeah.
But yeah, another gorgeous day in here. If you're ever in Georgetown, definitely visit Hooper Bay. It is wicked.
So we have to show you how beautiful it got today. Look at this. Oh my God. I'm gonna go check our anchor chain. Look at, you can see it's set pretty good. Our anchor's right over there somewhere. And how insane-o is this? What a day. Flippin' day.
How's your day going?
Yeah, I got nose plugs. It's good. Trying to figure out our toilet issue in the back. It's not pumping. And it's poopy.
It's gross.
Wish me luck. I'm going back in.
I love you.
Love you, babe.
Be strong.
That is our vacuum flush system. I pulled the bellows out thinking maybe that was the issue, and it's not. I got to get that plastic off there and look down into the pot and see what's going on in there. But we pulled everything out of here. We got all the windows going. We got a fan set up here, and then we put one up here outside to pull the air out so it doesn't stink out the rest of the house. Okay, I got work to do.
Hey, baby.
You don't need to see what's in there.
No, you don't. It's so gross. And it smells so bad. So I am opting out to do other jobs today while Josh takes care of the toilet. So these guys are all on swivels and spring loaded so that they stand up. I've already taken this one off, and we're gonna try and keep the springs that we have. Now, unfortunately, we don't have any more swivel guys, so we're gonna have to attach them to these, of course I can't think of the name of it right now. We're gonna call it a clamp. We're gonna attach to that, and we don't have any more blocks that will go in here. We do have a 3 block that we had got for our dinghy. So we're going to use that for our continuous line to go down, and then it's going to go in and around that way there. So this is going to sit like this, and then we're going to have the 2 lines coming down through here, and then it'll swivel as it goes through like that. So I don't know, we'll see if it works. I think that it's going to be a nice, easy way, clean way to get it to go. Let's try it.
A continuous line is a rope that's been spliced together to create an endless loop. When you pull on one side, it furls out the mainsail. When you pull on the other side, it brings the mainsail in. The advantage of this is we never have to go up on deck while underway. Everything comes back to the cockpit.
Okay, I got all my supplies out, my YouTube video on how to make an endless splice rope, and it is time to try and get this done again. It's been a long time since I've done one of these. I did do it 4 times, so I think it'll come back pretty easy when I get into it, but no time like the present, I guess. Here we go. Going on here, but we now have 1 continuous loop line to run our in-haul. The nice thing is it's much longer than the last one that we did, even though I didn't want to do it. The last one was a little too short. So if we do have to change those blocks out in the future, I can just redo this line and we don't have to actually use a Honu line all over again. So, project done. Time for the next one. In love.
We're getting somewhere. I've put it together 3 times and taken it apart, and it seems like the O-rings are actually leaking. We actually had one that I was able to replace. Hopefully that helps. The other one we do not have, so I've just put some flexi seal around it. I'm going to try and bolt it back down. Hopefully that does the trick for the meantime, and then we're going to look for some replacements. But it also made me look, there's a lot of other little things that need to get replaced on it, like the duckbill valves and stuff, so we'll probably get them on order as well. But we did have it vacuuming and working,
which is good news.
Yeah, and most of the smell's gone now. I've flushed it out with water and it's all clean, and I'm gonna put it back together and see if we can make this sucker flush.
Nice. Never fails. One seemingly simple-ish boat job and the whole place is in shambles. It's like a bomb went off in here. Time to start organizing again. After a long day of boat jobs, we were in no mood to fire up the oven and start cooking. We had heard of a local Junkanoo band that was going to be performing at a nearby restaurant and thought that would be a great way to end the evening. We had so much fun dancing the night away. Thanks for hanging out with us here in Georgetown. We are having so much fun. See you next week.